In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make covers in Soundtrap. We'll walk through a clean, repeatable workflow you can use for both instrumental and vocal covers, so you can focus on creativity without getting lost in the tools. Start by opening Soundtrap in your browser and creating a new project. Choose music, give your session a clear name, and take a quick look around. At the top, you'll find the transport controls for play, record, and the metronome. The timeline shows where your tracks will live, and the left side is where you'll add and manage them. Soundtrap autosaves, but it's still a good habit to save frequently. Before recording, set a count in and adjust the metronome volume so it's helpful but not distracting. Next, set the tempo and key to match the song you're covering. The BPM control is at the top. If you don't know the exact tempo, use tap tempo and fine-tune until it feels right. Set the project key as well. This helps MIDI instruments and any pitch tools sit where they should. If the song uses a specific time signature, adjust that now. Turn on a 1 or 2 bar count in so you have a clean start for every take. To build an instrumental cover, add an instrument track and pick a sound that fits the part you're recreating: piano, synth, guitar, bass, or drums. If you have a MIDI keyboard, record your parts live. If not, use musical typing or draw notes in the piano roll. Keep things tight by quantizing gently, not so much that it sounds robotic. For drums, the beatmaker is great for programming patterns quickly. Build from the foundation up, lay down drums and bass, add chords, then fill in melodies or hooks. Rename tracks and color code them to stay organized. Keep your track levels healthy. Aim for peaks around -6 decibels and avoid any red clipping. When recording vocals for a cover, add a voice and microphones track and select your input. Wear closed-back headphones to prevent bleed and set your input gain so the loudest sections hover around -12 decibels. A pop filter and 6 to 8 inches of distance from the mic will help keep takes clean. Turn on a light monitoring reverb if it helps you perform, and rehearse with the metronome before turning it off if it becomes distracting. Record multiple takes, then comp the best lines by splitting and choosing the strongest moments. Apply subtle pitch correction if needed, a gentle low cut to reduce rumble, and light compression to even out dynamics. Double important lines or add harmonies on separate tracks for depth. And that's the core process. With your project set up, tempo and key locked in, instruments arranged, and vocals recorded, you have everything you need to create polished covers in Soundtrap.